What's up guys, this is Josh with Juniper Overland. Today we're gonna go through this Yoho where we've upgraded the power. Let's go check it out. All right, so in this guy, we pulled out the Goal Zero Yeti and we have put in a 135 amp hour self-heating Dakota Lithium battery. We've paired this battery with a RedArc Manager 30. So that will charge from shore power, vehicle, and solar. And for all the electronics inside the camper, we've added in the Rogue TVMS, which is Total Vehicle Management System. This is powering fridge, heater, lights, everything in here is running through that system with enough space to add other circuits down the line as this customer wants. Over here, we built this little housing for it. So this is our RedArc display. This allows us to turn on all of our components with soft keys. It also has an app that you can download so you can turn everything on and off from your phone. Reason we put it over here is so it's close to the bed, so they have ability to turn any accessories they want while they're sleeping. Up top, we added a couple more USB and 12-volt outlets. We did the same over here with a Blue Sea below deck panel. And then on here as well, we have our thermostat for the diesel heater. So in here, we added the 135 amp hour Dakota Lithium self-heating battery. This particular customer just wanted one battery for their needs and for the trips they plan to go on. The great thing about this cabinet and space is we can add more batteries, so we can do a secondary 135 amp hour, or the Dakota Lithium 280 amp hour self-heating battery will fit into this space as well. That's a ton of power. It's gonna keep you off grid for a really long time. And we've got adequate charging through the solar as well as vehicle charging. What the RedArc system does essentially is it acts as an amplifier. It's taking your traditional 13.8, 13.9 volts off of an alternator, and it can actually ramp that up to what we program it to. So in this case, this one is lithium. This is about 15 amps going into this when the vehicle is on. For AGM, lithium or lead acid batteries, we can run those up to 14.6 based on the battery and its charging capabilities. So one of the great things about this system and upgrading to this is it adds a lot of growth. So the Scout comes with a few accessories, but this system allows you to really add more down the line. If you want exterior lights, more interior lights, if you plan on adding water pumps, any other accessories, the Rogue TVMS is gonna offer that ability for that growth, as well as the space being able to upgrade to more usable amp hours. So if you wanna learn more about these systems, give us a call, visit our website, stop by. More than happy to teach everybody more about what makes this awesome, why this is a great system, and how it can benefit you. If you like this video, like and subscribe, and thanks for stopping by.